Yeah. Kirsty. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Wake up, coconuts on the scene. Fluffy and fierce, he's the drama king. A little meow here, a little meow there. Wherever I go, he's already there. Move it, human, you're in my way. He meows like royalty every day, with a flick of his tail and a bossy glare. Coconuts got me under his care. Oh, you think you're in charge? That's so cute. Coconuts got the crown, it's absolute. He meows for food, he meows for space. He meows to remind me I'm in his place. Oh, he's on patrol, one dish, no way, he needs a bowl. Fill it up, human, don't you dare stop. Coconut's meows are non-stop. He meows to say, look at me now. I'm the star, I deserve a bow. No matter what I do, no matter where I go, Coconut's meow steals the show. Oh, you think you've got control? Think again. Coconut's meows are the ultimate win. He meows for love, he meows for fame. He meows to remind me it's all his game. Coconut's reign, his meows echo like a royal campaign. He's fluffy, he's fierce, he's got the charm, and every meow sounds just like an alarm. Feline, move over, give me my throne. Coconut's meows make the house his own. Oh, he's the boss, there's no debate. Coconut's world is just first rate. Meow, meow, Coconut's call. He's the boss, he rules it all. Meow, meow, don't you forget, he's the king, I'm his pet. Meow, meow, loud and clear. Coconut runs the house. It's crystal here. So here's to Coconut, the meow machine, ruling the house like the ultimate queen. For every meow he sets the tone. Coconut's world, we're just in his zone.